Hey guys, I'm so excited that you found this video. My name is Andy Ask and I am shooting this video right in my kitchen because I work from home now. It's awesome. So if you're anything like me and you're stumbling across the internet looking for opportunities and you're just not sure what's out there, I was right where you were. I had lost my job a year ago, totally unemployed, even prior to the COVID, wondering what am I going to do next, trying to figure out what would be the best thing for me to do. I wasn't happy with where I was, and I really didn't want to go back to that job again. I was in the car business for many, many years, and it was really good to me, but it took a lot of time away from my family and from my own freedom. So I found the 15-day business challenge. I met Dave Sharp, and I was energized. I was super excited to be able to offer this opportunity to anybody else. What it did for me was it changed my life. It literally gave me hope and gave me the desire to press on and gave me the knowledge that I could do this, that I could create my own successful online business, and that I was smart enough to do these things. And I'm so excited that you found it. Dave's gonna go into some great details. He's gonna lay it all out for you. Can't wait till you become legendary. Let's go.